first things you have to do is go to Old Town Square. Come on, let's go. Beer at the Hotel U Fleku and enjoy this incredible view. The thing you have to do is get a turtleneck or a chimney cake, one of Prague's most classic treats. Get a Prague souvenir. When you're in Prague, you've got to try one of these burgers. Take a picture in front of the John Lennon Wall. Another fun thing to do is to feed the swans, but don't feed them bread. It can be harmful to them. Go to the Prague Castle. It's the oldest castle in use today in the world. When in Prague, take a picture with the local. Another cool thing to do is to take a river cruise. It's really fun and you get some awesome views. Did you know Prague has islands? You should definitely check out Shooter's Island. It's in the middle of Vltava River. Try Thai massage. Prague has tons of them. You'll definitely want to get a little cup of hot glühwein, which is hot wine. Definitely stop by the Jewish Quarter. It's one of the most historical places in Prague. You gotta get a traditional Czech meal. So a top thing to do in Prague is go on a beer tour. Make some